Alright, let's talk a little bit about trigonometry, and specifically the elementary trig functions, that's sine, cosine, and tangent. Alright, so this is the place where it really starts. So we have here the unit circle. So that is the circle that's inscribed by all points, x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Alright, and so the actual way of representing sine and cosine and tangent, I'm going to show you that real quick. So if you take a point on this circle and the x coordinate of it is going to be the cosine of theta, where theta is this angle here. Draw that in real quick. And the sine of theta is going to be the height of this. Alright. And yeah, so this is also where the equation, famous equation, of cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta is equal to 1 comes from. So it's literally just plugging in these values for x and y. You can see that there. So if this is cosine, this is sine, then you get the formula. Alright, so now let's just talk real quickly about where tangent is, and that's a pretty good introduction to these guys. So tangent is actually kind of hidden. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark this little interval here. So this is the point 1, 0. Let's look at this triangle and let's scale it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by cosine of theta to get this bottom length. So if I divide this length by cosine of theta, then I get this length. And keeping the ratio of this similar triangle, I'm going to divide the height by cosine as well. And so, if you have the point 1, 0, the tangent is going to be the height of this guy here if you extend this line onwards. So this is going to be sine theta over cos of theta, which is just the tan. And yeah, so that's kind of like a little geometric interpretation of where these guys come from. So cosine is just the x coordinate of the unit circle, sine is just the height, and tangent is, well, if you draw a tangent line up from the point 1, 0, it's where this line will keep on going and where it'll intersect with that line. Hope this helps. If it does, remember to like, subscribe, and tune in next time.